All right, you guys, episode 36. I think it's 36. It's raining really hard. I have this set up with the umbrella. I think it looks okay. I know that my mug is kind of zoomed in. Whoa, boy. And I'm hitting trees. I'll probably do a lot of like non-face cam. Here's some B-roll. Let's get the daily going right now. It's going to be a long video otherwise, and I'm going to be soaked. I'm sorry if it's so shaky. It's super windy as well. But hey, could we catch something? Could this windy day prove to be lucky? Will Pokemon reward us for coming out in these insane conditions? We'll find out. Hope you guys are doing good. And yeah, let me know if you have ever played Pokemon Go in the rain before. I mean, we have played a lot, like, obviously, when we are in our cars, but I've never actually gone out and tried with an umbrella before. It's really crazy. I might cut this video short. We'll see. For now, I'm going to flip you guys around just so it's a better view, and you can just see kind of the rain. This is much better for me to hold the... Oh, wow, it is very shaky. I'm so sorry, you guys. Let me try to hold it like this. That might be better. Okay, we have a Fido. Trying to find out where we're supposed to be here as well. I am dry. I will say I'm completely dry. The wind, though, might be the problem, as I'm sure it is shaking the camera like crazy. Flabebe, we will skip. Either way, I just have to do this route to keep my level 72 task. I almost lost the whole thing right there. Going. Am I at... Wait, is the beginning over there? No! Okay, let's end this route. We have to end this. Quit route. We have to do this in reverse. See nearby routes. Here. Follow. Yes. Okay. Now I think we're good to go. I have a feeling... Oh, what was that? Oh, I missed it. Oh, no. I'll have to check the footage. I don't know what that was. But... Item bag is full. Oh, great. I'm going to just delete all these. Oh, man, my boots are soaked now. Just stepped in a huge puddle. So anyways, you guys, 160 something subscribers. That's amazing. Thank you so much. I see you guys in the comment. The last video did pretty good. You guys left a ton of comments and it was super encouraging. Thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. If you're new here, we're trying to get 200 subs before these 100 days are done. And if you don't know, the wind is kind of taking a break. This is the 100-day daily incense shiny Galarian bird challenge. Can I get all the birds collected in 100 days? That's this whole series in a nutshell. That's every video on this channel. No music, no editing. You guys and me hanging out in a rainstorm. That's pretty much it. Welcome in. Appreciate you guys. I'll flip you guys back around. We got the Pommy. I can barely throw because my thumb is soaked. What I might end up doing is kind of old school, where we started the channel like this, where I would sometimes just kind of cut the video early and play off screen. We might end up doing something like that because this is a little too gnarly. Just have a feeling the footage is going to be super shaky. But if we hit a bird, that would be worth it. That would be totally worth it. This is a popular place to play locally. I personally love it. There's not a ton of distractions and people and stuff. We need that shiny so bad. And yeah, the Into the Wild event is in full swing, you guys. If you're not playing it, please consider playing it. It's like insane raids all day, every day. Just amazing raids. Yesterday was the Dawn Wings, or the Duskmane. I can't remember. One of the Necrozma fusions. So if you needed to fuse, that was your opportunity. And if you missed it, there's another one coming up tomorrow. It's the Lunala one. So make sure you hit those raids up. For fusion, you guys, you have to understand, like fusion, oh boy, here comes the wind. The fused Pokemon are not overrated. Like, I know they're challenging to get. They are, if anything, underrated. Like, I meet a lot of people who have never fused any Pokemon before. Maybe it's too confusing, maybe it's too expensive, maybe too grindy, maybe they missed events, whatever the reason. I just want to help you newer players. The fused Pokemon are like literally all the rage. They help so much with defeating grunts, defeating raids. Like, look at my top Pokemon. Fused with the little Shundo. Fused with the little Luna. Fused with the New York. Fused with the other Lunala and the Duskmane. They're just so many because they're epic, you guys. So try to make it an effort. If you're going to do something, like maybe you want to save some cash. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I almost lost the umbrella. Ah! Oh! Oh! Hold steady. Hold. Hold. Oh boy. Oh boy. I am dry. That's the number one thing. I'm dry. You guys are probably nauseated or have clicked off the video because it's too shaky. Is what I'm guessing. Or maybe you just turn it on and listen, which I'll give you play-by-play if you do. We got a Swirlix here, non-shiny. I'm going to skip it. We got a Scraggy here, non-shiny. Going to skip it. We're looking for those birds. I really think we're going to hit a bird today. We should hit a bird. This is our daily. Oh, a Yamper. Yamper with the excellent throw on our daily. Make sure we're still looking good on the audio. The mic is dry, which is important. Oh, the wind is bad. The rain is fine. Like, I've learned a lot already with my setup. I'm not sure if I showed you B-roll of my setup, of how I did it. But I'll show you a little clip right now in between spawns. And this is basically it. I found this little clamp, very cheap. I think we got it on Amazon for like 10 bucks or something. I put a little duct tape on it, and then I secured it to the umbrella to act like a little holder or a little like gimbal. Good in theory. If the phone was better and had good stabilization, I think it would work. But I also put it way too high up on the umbrella. Okay, here we go. So I couldn't close my umbrella. I couldn't close my umbrella when I tried to leave my van. So I need to figure that part out. I don't know how. I have to be able to close the umbrella to leave my van. We have come on, click it. The black rat, non-shiny. Okay, It's not too windy. I'm gonna flip you guys around. All right, this isn't too bad. I'm pretty dry. As you can see, I'm not super wet. Camera's staying dry, my phone's staying dry. We got a Zygarde cell. Just one, that's fine. Trade with Mateo, which he's way over there for some reason. Quickly now. This gift is from, the Netherlands. Nice. Thank you so much, whoever that was. Okay. And then we turn, we spin, we look. It's a cottony. I'm gonna spin you guys back around because it's way easier for me to hold this. Yeah, play this event, you guys. If you're not, you should be. It's so good. Come on, here's another. No, I need the female version. What is this daily? It's there. Oh, it's like a, I can't click it. I can't see it or click it. Okay, complete this route. Complete, yes. Do we keep going? I'm at a crossroads here. Let me check the routes. This route is basically reverse. This is that big lap. This would take us to 30 minutes. I just don't know if I can do that. Kool Kidz. Let's follow it. Let's try it. I'm gonna try this Kool Kidz. Oh boy. I'm gonna try this Kool Kidz route. And if I have to bail, I have to bail. Honestly, you guys, if it wasn't windy, we're golden. Like, I could do this all day. If it wasn't windy. Because of the wind though, I feel like the camera's going wild and my arm's gonna fall off. I'm trying to hold the... Dude, if we hit one of these shiny, this must be a nest. A combi nest. If we hit one of these shiny, that would be worth everything. Yeah, thank you guys for all the views on the last video. The funniest thing, we caught nothing. It was like trash as far as the game was concerned. Caught literally nothing. Nothing good. Nothing spawned. No birds. No shinies. And like I think I mentioned in the video, as soon as I close the video down, I think even on my walk back home, I hit a shiny Spritzy. I'll show you. Which is a cool shiny. It's like purple right here. I evolved it. I wish I kept it. If I get another one, I'm going to keep it because it looks really good, unevolved. Yeah, just like I called it. I knew I was due for a shiny. I could tell. I just didn't know when it would happen. And of course, it was right off camera as soon as I closed the game down. I don't even remember the beginning of this video. This is so chaotic. There's a Spritzy on the daily. Let's catch that. It's gorgeous though. I mean, it really is nice. It's like fall. We got the leaves on the ground. What's fall like in your area? Is it rainy? Is it snowy? Do the leaves come down quickly, early, or... I mean, look at this. Most of our trees are still full leaves. It's weird in California. It takes a very long time for fall to actually happen. It's like late December and the leaves are still coming off. I can't catch this. Oh, maybe. Oh boy. He's really coming down now. I don't know, I'm kind of getting into a groove here. The wind has died down, I'm feeling good. Oh, so live stream update. I tried to do a test live stream 2 days ago. Yesterday. I tried to do a test live stream yesterday. It did not work. I do have the ability to live stream on this channel. I think you have to have like 50 subscribers. The issue is, you guys, I'm almost positive that every person who live streams Pokemon Go has 2 phones so that they can read chat. Otherwise, there's no way to really play the game and read chat, I think. Oh, let this be shiny. Stuffle. Oh. I don't think. If anyone knows, I don't know, I can't catch this, it's too far away. If anyone knows the odds of you guys knowing, it's probably small, but if you do have tips or tricks for live streaming Pokemon Go, there's not a ton of info out there. People, I feel like, are gatekeeping all the secrets. It's not a super huge community on the YouTube level, so I feel like the 20 people who have it dialed are gatekeeping it. I won't do that. I'll share every tip and trick I have if I can figure it out. 2 phones though. Oh boy. 2 phones. Come on. I can't catch this and I can't hold the umbrella. It's so windy. 2 phones is crazy, you guys. 2 services, 2 phones. That's insane, actually. Now granted, I'm already using 2 phones right now, but one is just a video camera with 0 service on it. It's free. It's just a camera at this point. Oh. You know what I want right now is some soup. A nice hot bowl of chicken noodle soup. Some crackers. I actually really like doing things in adverse conditions. I mean, there's no people out here. I'm kind of like hidden in the umbrella, so I feel actually a lot more free to just talk normally and be myself, which is awesome. Super fun. Let me try to flip you guys around. I feel like we got a break from the wind. We got this, you guys. This is going to be a little weird. Got to cut through, kind of like trying to figure out where I'm going. Somebody else is braving the rain. We have a Scraggy again on the daily. Holding it like this though for a face cam is kind of hard. I just need to adjust the setup. Maybe I just need a different umbrella. I don't know. It's what we got. Flip you guys around because it's going to get crazy. Oh, I missed this. What is this? A Goomy. Hello. I think I go this way. Oh, there's something going on in here. Oh, it looks like there's a little bit of line dancing going on in there. On a rainy day. Let's go, let's go. Shiny Furfrou. No copyright music here. I'm going to talk over that. YouTube will take care of that for me, I'm sure. And then we won't have to listen to that music anymore. I think one of these videos, oh gosh, ugh, One of these videos, you guys, I had a ton of copyright music on it, and YouTube, like, AI deletes it now. Keeps my audio voice, but AI detects and deletes the copyrighted music. So let's go. That's a win. As many of the L's we take with AI, I feel like YouTube has a win on that one. I will say the wild spawns are pretty much garbage on this event. You got the Scraggy, the Swirlix, the Cottony, the Spritzy, the Purloin. This would be a good shiny. I never got one. They're pretty bad. Like, the wild spawns are actually pretty bad. You know, it would be easier, actually, if we could figure it out, is a live stream in the rain. If I can figure out live streaming really well, that way I don't have to worry about a face cam, and it's just one phone. I'm holding the umbrella normally and then just playing on my phone. That would be much, much better. For future me, future ideas. We got 8 minutes left on this incense. We got the carbink on the daily. Don't think I can hit it. It's so far away. Yeah. My thumb is not... Oh, there we go. The straight throw. Oh. Okay, Combi. Rat. Purloin. Oh, I need the ducklet shiny. Come on, something. Reward me for the rain, please. Come on, game. I know you're listening to me. Game. Oh, boy. One of these shots, one of these times, the wind is going to gust and my umbrella and camera and everything is just going to go flying. Sableye. Hold strong. I am so sorry. This footage is probably garbage. Okay, I'm trying to think of titles now. Sadly, I'll just be real with you guys. Sadly, the other video did better than all my other videos just because I put a provocative title on it. I mean, it wasn't clickbait. It's true. It's like, for those wondering if they should buy the silver bottle cap or not, should they? For 99% of you, I'd say no. So it wasn't clickbait. It's just that's not really what the whole video was about. Sadly, it's just the strat is you just do those titles and get clicks, or you don't and you don't. But I just want this channel to be different. I want you guys to trust me and just join in because you believe that the content's good. And so I don't want to play that clickbaity title or thumbnail game like everyone else does. I think I will a little here and there in the beginning just to get the channel more exposure. But to be honest, the best thing for the channel is if you guys just watch the video, let it play. Oh boy. That is the best thing for this channel. So all of you who literally just click in and watch this all the way through, you're listening right now, driving or taking a rest. That's what makes the most difference. I thank you guys. I actually mean it, you guys. Thank you so much. That's what's going to actually help the channel more than anything. And yeah, the more of you that do that, the more YouTube will push this to people just like you. The channel will grow more organically instead of that clickbaity. Because I don't mean to offend anyone, but the issue is if you only respond to clickbait titles or thumbnails, then you're probably not going to be a faithful, oh, yes, yes, please, 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 bro, please, yes, oh. Okay, all right, you guys, I need to put this down somewhere. I don't know how to do it. Okay. Whew. Oh, it could have been shiny. If that was a shiny, though, I actually would have been a little bit mad. Can I do it like this? No, I cannot. I don't know how to do this. Oh my gosh, it's so bad. I can't even throw at this bird. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Let me try to hold it over here. I have the umbrella in a frisbee golf goal. My hands are so... Here we go. Get it. Oh, shoot. Miracle. No. We do have a Zygarde. We do have 3 minutes to walk back to the van. 2 cells. Let's go. Ah, we were rewarded. We were rewarded, you guys. It's not clickbait. If that would have been a shiny, I would have screamed. That would have been amazing. Okay, actually, this route is almost a 5-star. I want to give this route a 5-star. If it was a full loop, I would give this route a 5-star. But I can't, just for the fact that it's not a full loop. But other than that, it was simple, it was clear, it wasn't zigzaggy, it was easy. Kool Kidz got my vote. I'm gonna give it a 4-star. Super close to a 5-star, you guys. This route was awesome. What would you rate this route? 4-star. For sure. Let's keep walking. I have got, I'm gonna flip you around. Whoa, whoa. I have got 2 birds and 1 incense before. Actually, multiple times, I think. Whoa! The game rewards us. It knows. I'm only helping you, game. Promote your game. Give me that shiny Galarian. Oh, we got a truck out here. Oh, which way is he going? Let me go this way. If that would have been a shiny Moltres for our 3rd shiny Moltres. Also, I don't even know if I'd have been able to catch it out here. My umbrella probably would have flew away. Flabebe. I get 2 more spawns. Back to the car. Is ripping wind. Hold strong, little umbrella from Walmart. Hold strong, little iPhone from like 8 years ago. I am still dry, you guys. My phone's dry. The mics are dry. This is not what we want. I'm skipping it because I don't think I could throw anymore. My hands are soaked. My hands are wet. My actual hand I'm playing the game with is getting pretty wet, actually. We did get 3 cells on the day, which pushes our Zygarde closer and closer. 169 cells. We're doing so good with that. Goal is to complete the Zygarde as a side quest before the new year. Be there on that video when we complete our Zygarde. Come on, you guys. Subscribe right now. If you watched this far and you haven't thrown up from the shaky screen, subscribe. You're committed. Be there when we catch all 3 Galarian shinies. Be there for the complete Zygarde. Be there for the live stream this weekend. Go Wild event. We got no more spawns. That's it. 27 Pokemon. We're gonna quickly scan these. Look for a hundo or a nundo. Come on, game, reward us one more time. Hundo, nundo. One more. Please. Anything. Oh, what was that? Oh, this was from earlier. More Petco. No. All right, you guys. Appreciate each and every one of you. Get out there, even if it's raining. Find adventure in your life. It actually is the spice of life to keep you going. Appreciate each of you. Thanks for subscribing, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.